sod's law, isn't it, Mush?
Yeah,
When you're setting up.
it's always the way. But mind you, that one that come and landed there when we was there, didn't even get up when I clapped it.
That dial was up there when AD come down. When I started, it was bang, 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 bang. That's how it was. They just kept coming and coming. Yeah, we got here this morning. There's a bit of a breeze. We've been leaving it for a little while to get the wind right. They tend to come up through this valley. You can see where on this rape they've really hammered it. It's quite short here. It's fodder rape. It's not actually rape for harvesting. They've got sheep on the bottom side of it. There's a clump of trees over the other side, but they haven't really been heading for there. I dare say they will today. But they tend to come through. They've been feeding on this bank, as you, like I said, as you can see, it's short. But it's not ideal because the wind's straight in their face, and if we was over there the wind is more behind us, but it's not ideal for filming, so that's the reason we've opted for here. We've got a hide, we've got just a clump of bushes here, we've got a hide on each end of it, so if they come in the left hand side and the right hand side, we've got it covered both ways. That's the plan anyway, so yeah, well, we're getting hide and get ready to go.
I see the shadow.
We both shot back, both exactly the same time, both shot.
Yeah. I should have left it for you.
3 here.
I'll take the front one. Two here, Andy.
Oh, it's one on the decoys.
Yeah.
On the decoys here, Adam.
Yeah.
It's all right. I reckon we might have to bung up there and get them moving, Mush.
Yeah, where do you want me to go then?
Well,
If I take the bite and half it.
don't start there if they don't. Just go out there, have a few shots. We just need to get the split up.
What they do when they come back.
Exactly.
If they start going back, I'll stay there.
Tight lines. No more coming. We've got a load coming in here now, but I don't like shooting the big lumps. You just educate them. As you can see, I've just let them go. So hopefully they'll come back later on. They're still coming in now. Look, we've got them on the decoys here. Look, down there on the ground, Adam. On the ground here. Look, got one sitting just here. This lot coming back. Look. More coming. Video all this. As you see, I just got Adam the video. We just had about 30 or 40 come straight in the decoys, all round the decoys. They're still milling around now. But to tell the truth, there's no point at shooting the big lumps like that, because all you do is you get two and you educate the rest. Now they've gone away. Hopefully they'll come back. like that one at a time. Let them come round again. Loads more following. Loads more here, back here. All that lot, look. And here they come back in again, look. There's another lump coming. Following those, there's probably best part of 200 pigeons here now. Just swooping around. Still coming back into the decoys here, look. But if I'd shot at one of those, or shot at those, I probably would have got a couple. Look at them just on the ground here, look. Just in front here, look. Yeah. Look at that. They've landed out in the field in front. One here on the left, maybe. Going back for another look. That nearly hit the camera, that one. Started off a bit steady for a start. They've been decoying lovely, but the only problem we've been having, it's been a lot of big packs coming in, 50s, 60s, 100 at a time, and I don't like shooting at them. You just educate them. So I've been leaving those. Been picking off a few. We've been here, I don't know, hour and a half, just over. I suppose we've got about 45. Yeah, I think we've got about 40, 45. Gary's gone over the other side. They went up there, so he bombed up there, and he's been having quite a bit of shooting up there. So I turned the rotary off, but they didn't tend to see him so well, so I'll put that back on again and see how it goes. So a few coming across there now. So yeah, hopefully we get 60, 70, I hope, the way it's looking at the moment. So right, let's get back in the hide. Yeah, over. Coming in. A good one. A couple. One coming down on the right is looking hard. Yeah, on the right hand shoulder. Well, as you've seen there, we've been shooting quite a few. There's a few still just coming back through. Our only problem is now the chap that's got his sheep grazing on. Here, one come in maybe? No. No. Chap who's got his sheep grazing on the rape. He's going away for the weekend, so he's moving the electric fence today. And he wants to move it up to where we are. So, he was going to go away and come back. And I said, no, he's here to do it today, so he's going to do that. So that might mess things up for a little bit, but we've had a good crack at them anyway, so we must have shot, well, I don't know, quite a few here. They've come quite nicely. As you'll see by the video, some have come really well and some haven't really wanted it, but we've had some big packs come in, which is always annoying. I don't like shooting into big packs. No, so I've been leaving the big packs, but no, it is what it is. He's going to be probably half, 3/4 of an hour moving electric fence, but he's down the other end at the moment, but then he's going to move up. He's coming right way through here, so when he gets close, I might give him a hand just to rush the job on a bit. Oh, two lovely shots. Yep, he's having it. I thought he's going to come back round. Here he comes, coming on the right hand side. Did you get it?
Yeah.
He's not coming. They're not coming. They would have done. Oh, one might. One this.
Oh, wicked, I've got both. About this popper.
Oh, cheers, Adam. You want it? Mm. Oh, that's hurting.
That looked good, although you didn't get it full in.
Don't know, got it buffed. Well, what do you want to know?
Right, just how the day's gone.
Well,
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, we've had a good day. We started off, Gary, like we planned. One here, one there, because we missed quite a few birds that come through on the left-hand side and curved round that didn't come into the decoys. But I was covering the right, and that's how we was hoping to shoot it today. But after we've been shooting for probably half an hour, 40 minutes, we could see that they wanted to be over that other side. And everything dried up. So Gary said, well, I'll bomb over this. He went over there just to have a few shots. He shot just over 60 over there, and I shot 102 here, which was quite nice. And
About the same as last time, isn't it? About the same ratio, really.
Yeah, they decoyed. Don't get me wrong, some decoyed here well, but a lot of the big flocks come in, and as you see when you were filming, there were some big flocks come in, and I didn't want to shoot at the big flocks. If I'd shot at those, he'd just mess it up for next time. So it's just down to managing it, really. So, but we'll be back again hopefully next week. And have another good day. So for this time of year, it's a good day. So
Yeah, it is.
yeah.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by the bell. Please like and subscribe to help us along, really. Go on, this is going to take hours, I'm telling you.
Please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel.
Mate,
Go on.
please like and subscribe, and that's it, it just goes. Please like and subscribe, yeah, go on.
It really helps the channel.
I tell you what, I had to say 8 words up at Saddleworth. 3 hours later, his mobile phone had gone flat, the camera had gone flat, and we did it on the last.